Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we will do 5.2 properties of rational exponents and radicals. Okay, so started. So we have to see the start properties. The first property is known as a product of powers. In the product of powers, if you have a term a to the power m, it is multiplied with a to the power n. The bases are same and they are multiplied and the powers will add. So a power m plus n. So this is known as a product of powers. Next is a power of power. Power of power is a power m. And then you whole take the power n. So the powers will multiply. 8 power mn. Next is power of a product again, but when you have a two numbers like a and b, they are two numbers or two terms, maybe that the power m, I can separate the power a power m into b power m. Negative exponent. In the negative exponent, if you have a something power negative, so this can be written as a 1 over that term to the power in a positive form because we shift to the negative. Next is zero exponent. Zero exponent is something power 0 is 1. Make sure a is not 0. You can't say 0 power 0 is 1. But any non-zero number, it may be positive, negative, rational, irrational, to the power 0 is 1 and a is non-zero. The next is a over b to the whole power and that's a coefficient. I can rewrite it as a power m over b power m. Okay, and if you have this, I can write a power m over a power n. They both are quotients. In this, base were different, so we separate the power. In the next, bases are same. I can arrange the power in a single term. The denominator power should go to the numerator and it change to negative. It will be a power m minus n. And if denominator 0, this term is not defined. So therefore, in this case, b can be 0 and in this case, a cannot be 0. Alright, we have to use the properties to solve this. 7 power 1 by 4 into 7 power 1 by 2. Both bases are same, so power will add. 7 power 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. If you solve 7 power 4 is a common base or common denominator. 1 plus 2. So it is a 7 power 3 by 4. Okay, next 6 power half 4 power 1 by 3. I multiply the power inside using this formula. Using this formula, you can say 6 power half to the whole power 2 multiply 4 power 1 by 3 to the whole power 2. 2 and 2 cancel, 6 left. And here you have a 4 power 1 by 3 times 2. That's a 2 by 3. So this is the answer. 6 into 4 power 2 over 3. Next is properties of radicals. In the properties of radicals, the first property is product property. So if you have a square root of a two terms like a dot b of nth root, you can separate the power a and b. You can separate them. And another is a quotient. If you have a whole nth root a over b, I can also separate it. Nth root of numerator, nth root of denominator. Okay, make sure denominator non-zero. Then you can use this property. Next, using this we have a question. 12 power 3 root, 12 power third root or cube root, 18 power cube root. Using the property, I can multiply the two different root in a single because both are cube root. So it's a 12 into 18. I can break this. How I am breaking? 12 is 6 2s are 12. 18 is 6 3s are 18. Now break it more. You will get 3. Wait, this is 6, this is 6, 3 2s are 6. So you have a 6 3 times. So that means 6 power 3 and outside is cube root of 6. Cube root. So this will cancel. Cube root and power 3 cancel. So only 6 is the answer. Next. Fourth root of 80 over fourth root of 5. They combine it. And now I will get 5 ones are 5. 5 6 are 30. 16. Fourth root of 16. That can be written as a 2 power 4. 4 and 4 cancel. So you are left with 2 only. Okay. Next it says write each expression in a simplest form. Cube root of 135. I can break. If I break 135 as a 27 into 5. 27 multiplied by 5. 27 is what? 27 is 3 power 3. 3 power 3. And using the radical exponent, radical properties, I can break the root. 3 power 3 here, dot cube root of 5 is a different. Here 3 and 3 cancel, so only 3 left. 3 times the cube root of 5. This is the answer. Okay? See this? 7, fifth root of 7 over 8th root of 7. In this case, I have to rationalize. Rationalize is like fifth root. Fifth, you can break into more powers. See. 8 can be written as a 4. I want something, so it will be power 5. 2 power 3 is already there. 8 is 2 power 3. I want 2 power 2 more. So I multiply by fifth root of 2 power 2. I divide by fifth root of 2 power 2. Same thing. Multiply, same term divides. It's a rationalization. Numerator will not affect. It's a fifth root of 7 into 4 over fifth root of 8 times 4. It's a 32. And this is fifth root of 28. Fifth root of 28 as it is. What is 32? 32 is 2 power 5. 32 is 2 power 5. So that 5 and 5 cancel. Let me write one step. If you didn't get this, see. Right? Fifth root of 2 power 5. So 5 and 5 cancel. Only 2 left. So fifth root of 28 here. So we done with this. Next it says write the simplest form. Before solving this, we have to understand what type of this. It's a irrational number a plus root b type. If you have this term, you will use the rationalization a minus root b over a minus root b. If you have a minus, you will use plus here. Okay. So start it. 1 over 5 plus square root 3. I will multiply with 5 minus root 3 over 5 minus root 3. Numerator into 1. So the number same as it is. 5 minus root 3 over. Over you have this term 5 and 5. It's a formula of a plus b, a minus b. A plus b times a minus b is a square minus b square. So you have a 25 minus root 3 square. Square and root cancel, only 3 left. 25 minus 3 is 22. So 5 minus square root 3 over 22. Okay. Next question. Next, simplify expression. 4th root of 10 and 7 times 4th root of 10. I can take 4th root of a 10 common. Okay, I take it common. What I left here, if I take this term common, 1 left. If I take this term common, 7 left. So 7 plus 1, 8. So the answer is 8 times 4th root of 10. Similarly, look at this. It's 2 times 8 power 1 by 5. 10 times 8 to the power 1 by 5. I can take 8 power 1 by 5 outside. What is left? 2 left here and 10 here. So total is 12 times 8 power 1 by 5. Okay. Now 54. This is a cube root of 54. This is a cube root of 2. We cannot separate. We cannot subtract also. So I'm going to split 54. It's 27 into 2. What is 27? 27 is 3, 3 and 3. So 3 power 3 times 2 and cube root. Cube root of 3 with 3 cancel. So you only left with 3 times cube root of 2 minus cube root of 2. You take cube root of 2 common and here you left with 3, here minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 times cube root of 2 is the answer. Next, it says simplify the each expression. You can bring the power 1 by 3 both. 64 y power 6 to the whole power 1 by 3. What is 64? 4 power 3. Y power 6 to the power 1 by 3. Bring the power inside. 3 and 3 cancel. 4 left. 3 2s are 6. 4 times y power 2. Here, it's x power 4 to the whole power 1 by 4. Y power 8 to the whole power 1 by 4. You left with x and you left with y power 2. So x over y square is your answer. Alright. So you can check here that 4th root of x power 4. So even term, or whenever you are solving for a even root, you have a two answer, positive and negative. So therefore I am using the absolute sign of x. Because the inside term x power 4, it is possible the x is a negative x to the power 4, still give you same answer. X power 4 to the power 1 by 4, it still give you same answer. Okay? Therefore I use the absolute sign. Shall we continue next? Alright. See this. Write each expression in simplest form. It says power 5. We will try to break if we can break in the power 5. 4 cannot be broken. So 4 as it is. A8. A power 8 can be written as a power 5 times a power 3. B power 14 can be written as a b power 10 times b power 4. And then c power 5 to the whole power 1 by 5. So the terms having a power 5, so bring them out. This. Here it's a b power 10. So b square will comes out because 10 by 5, 2. C power 5 into 1 by 5. 5 and 5 cancel, only c left. So what's inside? 4 a cube b power 4 and the whole power 1 by 5. Done. Now see this. It says y power 8 and the cube root of 3. Denominator is a cube root. We have to bring the power a integer here, not a rational power. Y power 8 is there and the outside is power 1 by 3. Cube root of 3 means power 1 by 3. So how much power I need here? If it is a y power 9, then it is easy. So that means I need one more y. So I multiply with cube root of y. I divide with cube root of y. on solving, it will be x times cube root of y over cube root of y power 8 times y, because both having a cube root, so terms get multiplied. Y power 9 cube root and x cube root of y. So you left with x cube root of y over cube root of y power 9. 3 3s are 9, so y power 3. We can try the next one. We just have to make the power positive. So try to bring everything at the numerator. 2 7s are 40. X power 1 is already there. And this is 3 by 4. When the denominator power comes to numerator, the power getting negative. So 1 minus 3 by 4. This term become up, so it become negative 3 by 4. So 1 power was already here. Okay. Y power 1 by 3. Z power. This is z power negative 6 being to the numerator, it becomes power positive 6. 7x power 1 by 4, y power 1 by 3, z power 6 is the answer. Perform each indicated operation, assume all variables are positive. 5 times root y plus 6 times root y. So it will be 11 times root y. 5 and 6, 11. Next, 12 to z power 5. Z 54 z power 2. This z power 5 can be written as a z power 3 times z power 2, and it's a cube root. Cube and this power 3 cancel z out, and you left with 2z square and cube root minus 54. 54 again break into parts. 27 into 2. What is 27? 27 is 3 power 3. 3 power 3 z square. So you left with the 3 out. 3z. Cube root of z square. And there is a one more 2 left because it's 27 into 2 now. Now if you simplify 12z minus 3z, it's a 9z. And then cube root of 2 times z square. Done. Okay. So we're done with 5.2. I hope you understand. We will continue in the next class. Thanks for watching.